Denver 7 Investigates has been exposing problems with Colorado's towing industry for years. And now a controversial bill is moving forward that would remove some of the incentives for tow truck drivers patrolling lots to make money off your cars.
Denver 7 consumer investigator Jacqueline Allen breaks down the proposal.
When I seen them towing my car, actually I ran after them and couldn't catch them.
Tashara Williams knows the pain of having her car towed all too well.
Me and my little daughter, my 8-year-old, was sitting out there freezing, trying to get my car back.
Since she moved into the North Lincoln Park homes in Denver last year, she's been towed twice by Wyatt's Towing from this parking lot. Each tow costing her more than $300.
So, I don't have money like that.
She had no idea under the Towing Bill of Rights passed in 2022, she could have paid just $60 to get her car released.
They never gave me an option. They just said, come with that money or I ain't gonna get my car.
Stories like hers are why some lawmakers say the Towing Bill of Rights didn't go far enough.
Consumers are really in a disadvantaged position in terms of when their vehicle gets towed, if it gets towed in the first place, and what happens after that.
State Representative Andrew Basenecker is sponsoring a bill he says would upend the way the towing industry works in Colorado. It requires private property owners pay for the tow up front instead of charging car owners.
So it takes away the profit structure inside of a vertically integrated model like Wyatt's. So I think what we would see in this legislation is a complete righting of the ship.
The bill states the tower is required to notify the car owner that they can get their vehicle back for free for the first 30 days. And the property owner would be required to pay for the tow and storage for that time. Basenecker says the goal? Take away financial incentives for towers targeting some of Colorado's most vulnerable. Is this bill in part a response to reporting that we've done?
Very much so. Certainly consumer advocate groups have been pointing to what I would understand to be a predatory towing issue in our state for some time.
The bill faces opposition. The Colorado Apartment Association sent a statement saying, in part, CAA believes that this particular approach raises several unintended consequences that warrant careful consideration, adding that this lack of accountability could result in a disregard for parking laws and regulations, further exacerbating parking-related issues within our neighborhoods. But Williams, who now parks on the street by a park near her home, says a bill like this could help people who feel they're being taken advantage of.
I think, they need to go ahead and charge them and not us, because we're barely surviving over here.
We've reached out to Wyatt's attorney for comment and have not heard back yet. Now, this bill also includes required background checks for tow drivers, and it gives state regulators the authority to revoke licenses in certain cases. We'll keep following it as it makes its way through the legislature. For Denver 7 Investigates, I'm Jacqueline Allen.
And just last month, Wyatt's agreed to $1 million settlement with the state attorney general's office. This came after a months-long investigation that found the company repeatedly violated state law.
Those violations included permit lapses, illegally authorized tows, and profit off of the sale of abandoned vehicles.
How important was it to shine a light on this issue?
I want to thank your work, Jacqueline. I want to thank other groups like the Economic Security Project who called out this very concerning practice. For people who often don't have a voice, we heard you here at the Department of Law. Our team worked hard on this case. Your shining a light on it mattered. We're now going to get people back their hard-earned money.
Wyatt's CEO and attorney responded to the settlement, saying in part, quote, Wyatt's has cooperated with every step of the investigation and that the AG primarily found administrative errors and issues that had already been addressed. The AG wants anyone who believes they were illegally towed to contact stopfraudcolorado.gov. Denver 7 consumer investigator Jacqueline Allen has spent years exposing Wyatt's impound empire. For a look at all of our coverage, head to denver7.com/investigates. And don't forget, our investigative team is always digging deeper into the big issues impacting Coloradans. So if there's something you want our team to look into, please call the number on your screen or send us an email, contact7@denver7.com.